Now I have to come on the topic Atma Ev Upasita. This is the next point of discussion in Bhagavan Bhashyakar. Katham Punaha Pashyan Veda. How he knows that self. You saw that second paragraph, 211 page. 211. You saw the Katham Punaha Pashyan Veda. How he knows that. Iti aha. This is said. Atma iti eva. Atma iti pranadini visheshanani yani uktani tani sa. So, that which was said with the pranadi visheshana. Pure self with the conditioning of prana etc. is called localized self. Doer is equal to pure self plus the karana of doing. ध्यान देना, doer is equal to pure self plus karana of doing. The dharma of karana has been superimposed on the non-doing self, that is called doer. आत्मा से कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. One person was there, whenever his car was going inside the bridge, he used to bend his head. Where was bridge? Where was he? Where is doing? Where is Atma? And supposing you must have seen, you are in the car and your glasses are already over and somebody throws a water or cleans the car. For a moment you also go like that, as if he is throwing on me the water. देखना रास्ता. You took it on yourself. So that which takes the doing on itself is called the doer or local आत्मा. सुनो जरा सा, इसी का प्राण आदि विशेषण है. पढ़ लो जरा सा. आत्मा इति प्राणादिनी विशेषाणी, यानी जिसकी ये विशेषण बन गई है. उक्तानी तानी यस्य सह आपनुवन तानी आत्मा इति उच्यते. प्लीज अंडरलाइन, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वन डेफिनेशन ऑफ आत्मा इज यस्य सह आपनुवन. आपनुवन, दिस इज द फिफ्थ लाइन, second paragraph. That which pervades. आप धातु is for vyaptau. That which pervades. So one definition of Atma is that which pervades. Yaccha apnoti, yaccha adatte, yaccha atti vishayan iha, yaccha asya santato bhava sa atma iti katyate. But one point which he has taken here, yasya sa apnuvan. It pervades. Why you? Already I said, go back to deep sleep. Morning class. In deep sleep, no desh, no kal, no vastu is there. That Atma is not associated with limitation of object and time. Waking is nothing. But on that non-limited Atma, desh, kal, etc. is superimposed. While the desh kal is there, still that Atma is as it is. That is, it is called Vya Apnuvan. Sa tatha Krishna Vishesh Upsamhari San Kritsno Bhavati. After it dissolves all the specification in itself after knowing that. Just now I give the example of ocean. देखो यही लिखा है. Sa yatha, sa is for this Atma. Krishna Vishesh Upasamhari. Krishna means complete, it is complete. And it has dissolved. Upsamhari means it has killed, dissolved. All Visheshta, doer, enjoyer, sufferer on himself. San Kritsno Bhavati, it becomes complete. Okay. Vastu matra rupen hi pranadi upadhi vishesh kriya janitani visheshanani vyapnoti. So this pervades all the localized Atmas. But one localized Atma doesn't pervade another localized Atma. I told you morning, you cannot be hearer, listener, writer, listener at the same time. It excludes. But that one does not exclude anything. So it is written, Tathacha Vakshati. This is again Brihadaranyaka. Now, एवं कृत्स्नः, सेकेंड पैराग्राफ, एवं कृत्स्नः यसौ स्वेन वस्तु स्वरूपेण गृह्णानो भवति. अच्छा, even by itself, without this localized eyes, it is complete. Kasmat Krishna, how come it is complete? Ityaha. Atra asmin atmani hi yasmat nirupadik. In this Atma, which is without any conditioning. Upadhi word aa gaya na, subhe ka? Anybody has by hearted definition of Upadhi? No, in Sanskrit. Huh? Samipe sthitva. No, without seeing. Samipe sthitva swasya gunasya dharmasya anyasmin mithya rupena adhiyate iti upadhi. This is nirupadik Atma. It is not defining itself with any conditionings. अच्छा, कैसे? जल सूर्य प्रतिबिंब भेदा इव आदित्य. Like all the reflected suns get one in the original sun. All the reflected sun get one in the original suns. अच्छा, and प्राणादि उपाधिकृता विशेषः प्राणादि कर्मजनाम अभिधेया यथोक्ता येते एकम अभिन्नताम भवन्ति. I hope this is a clarity is there. Bhashyakar made it more clear. Mulay did not understand. No, you understood. Something you understand. It is not possible you did not understand anything. Some words you understood. Now I am coming to the next point. Important point. What is that point? What is that point? That point here is, he is now entering into another debate with Purmimamsa. Well, it's so nice these people had not come. No, this is for clarity. You will get more nishtha. This is called Sthula Niklan Nyaya. When the pole is, fixed in the earth, they shake it to find out whether it has gone deeper or not. Similarly, now he'll try to shake and find out whether you are convinced or not on this point. So he gets a long discussion, and this bhashya is called Vidya Sutra Bhashya. Vidya Sutra Bhashya. You know what is Vidya Sutra? This line, Atma ev upasita, this is called Vidya Sutra. Atma iti ev upasita, which you underlined, that is called Vidya Sutra. Sutra means Suchanat Sutra, which is indicating clue. Clue. In English it is called clue. I got the clue. The crime was committed and the police got the clue. So this is the clue for what is the nature of the self. Okay. So that is called Vidya Sutra. Now they enter into discussion with the Purmimamsa. Purmimamsa is the Karmakand. And now what he says, Purmimamsa came. Well, listen, you have been talking a lot. I'll give you a rest. Let me talk also. Okay. You talk, no problem. I have no problem. I said, my point is, what is your point? My point is that I am interested in action. Remember I told Amnayasya Kriyarthatvat Anarthakyam Atad Arthanam. They say only purpose of the Vedas is to make you do action. I had explained these points. Create, Kartavyam, these are the popular words that is written here. Okay. So what you want to say? I am saying that ritualistic portion of the Vedas are full of Vidhi Nishedha. And don't think they are only Purmimamsa. If you meet a worldly person, he will say, कुछ काम करो, show some results. क्या बैठ के सुनते रहते हैं? हो गया सत्संग, once in a week is okay, twice in a week is okay, सब समझ में आती है बात. But in one day, 3 times you are hearing, क्या हो गया तुमको? क्या frustration क्या है? What is your problem? Are you worried? पहले तो ठीक थे. I never stopped you from satsang, but keep balanced. Okay? And once in a week को मिशन का आश्रम में क्लास होती है, स्वामी जी क्लास लेते हैं, काम करो कुछ. And if you say I am doing some social work, they are very happy. Well, do some social work, distribute clothes. So they say in Purvamimamsa that Vedas are full of injunctions, commandments. Do this heaven, do this home. बोले अच्छा, हाँ. So, well, then what you want to say? I want to say that in this line, Atma iti ev upasita. Here upas word has, as word has come. You should do upasana of that Atma. Means what? Clarify it, Mr. P.M. Purvamimamsa. No, I am saying one should do, after knowing the self, one should do something. Well, but after knowing, there is no aham left. Problem is this. After knowing the self, you feel this local I was mithya. You have no project. Why? All the fulfillment is Krishna bhavati. He himself becomes complete. Tell me in Bhagavad Gita where this point has been said. Huh? What is that shlok? Yastu atmarati reva syat. आपको एक एक चीज I will can tell where Gita has said. Yastu atmarati reva syat आत्मतृप्तश्च मानवः आत्मनि एव च संतुष्टः तस्य कार्यम न विद्यते. 3rd chapter 17th श्लोक. I think. बोले one who is satisfied in the self, one who revels in the self, and one who is fulfilled in the self, for him there is no work to do. छुट्टी जाओ, घंटा बजाओ दिन के लिए. क्यों भाई, इनको छुट्टी क्यों कर दिया आपने? बोले देयर इज नो डूअर, देयर इज नो एंजॉयर. इट इज somebody asks you or somebody asks me, बोले स्वामी जी you should have some business. Start a business. अच्छा, what business? Any business you can start. Online business you can start. Some business. What for? To earn money. Online everything will come to you. Neither I want money, neither I have any interest in anybody. There is no desire of money. I have no bank account. I don't keep money. Why? When that doer is not there, why you are asking to start something? जो है नहीं हमारे पास. And therefore गीता ने कहा भाई इसकी छुट्टी करो तुम इसको. So कर्तव्य is for the कर्ता. Car license is for the car driver. If supposing you jump the traffic light, nowadays don't do that. Heavy fines are there now. New traffic rules have come up. And I'm very happy. We are very indisciplined. If I jump or do something wrong and the traffic police will not come to the people who are sitting in the car, they will catch the person who is the karta of the car, driver's seat. वन हु इज नॉट द कर्ता, उसने कही तो कर्ता तो दिस अहम इज अलॉन्ग विद द कंडीशनिंग कॉल्ड द बॉडी माइंड. Doing of the body mind, one who superimposes on the unconditioned I, this is the definition of karta. Definition of karta is, supposing my mind did very well, my body did very well, I superimpose. बोले हम देखो कितना अच्छा दौड़े आज. How nicely I spoke, how nicely I sang, how nicely I made the dishes. क्या बढ़िया खीर बनाया आज. Such a nice I made some, what is called burger I made. किसने बनाया? हमने बनाया. किसने बनाया? नहीं कौन सा? जरा बैठो सामने बैठ जाओ. Who made? Well I. No, define that I. बोले body was there. Agreed, because body had to knead flour and all these things. Memory was there, of course. Mind you applied, of course. Intellect, I applied that. अच्छा, you wanted, the identity was there. Yes. ये जो मिली जुली सरकार ने बनाया, this coalition government, जिसमें बॉडी, माइंड, इंटेलेक्ट, रिफ्लेक्टेड आई, चिदाभास, this gang made something. You have nothing to do with this. Yellow. नहीं. You have nothing to do because all are drishya only and you are the drishta. And with another work, this is gone. You are not the doer now. Supposing you are reading some newspaper, now that maker and cooker has gone now. Cook has gone now. You are now doing something else and it is gone now. बोले फिर क्या? फिर किसने बनाया? वो सबने बनाया. भानुमति का जो कुंबा था उसने बनाया. एंड दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रकृति, नॉट योर पार्ट. तत्वित्तु महाबाहो गुण कर्म विभागयो गुणागुणेषु वर्तन्ते इति मत्वा न सज्जते. कबीरदास जी was living at a place, opposite was one budiya, old lady's place. So one day Kabir Das ji's devotee burnt her house. Her devotees burnt Kabir Das ji's house. Now both Kabir Das ji in the evening when everything was burned, that budiya and Kabir Das came on the road. Kabir Das ji said, by budiya, your devotees burned my house. My devotees burned in house, your house. Why should we spoil our relationship? So guna guneshu vartante. These sattvic gunas are jumping into tamo guna and doing something. ये करने तो इनका जो 1 day मैच है, 5 day मैच है, 1 year, 50 year मैच चल रहा है इनका, ये चलने दो. This Atma has nothing to do with that. Because remember, go back to deep sleep. It is all pervading, it is nitya, it is sarvgat, it is avikari, it is nirakar, it is chetan. उससे क्या मतलब? And therefore to ask this person, you should also work like everybody. He said, okay, I will work. I have no problem, but it is not my compulsion. Budiya Baba was a great saint. Somebody called him for bhiksha in Vrindavan. The person who called, he forgot. And he went walking. So household, what is called Makan Malik, the householder was there. Then had called. He said, hey, कहाँ से आ गए हो? बोले भिक्षा है. बोले काम करा करो. Such a good body he is there. चलो. बोले काम नहीं है. बोले हम देते हैं. Go and plow the field. खेत जोतो जाके. वो बोलते खेत जोतने लगे हो. भाई, when I have an imaginary bigger aham, I am very afraid of making it smaller, क्योंकि उसी से तो हम जिंदा रहते हैं, वही हमारी खुराक है. That imaginary aham, I mentally kiss him, love him, embrace him. कितने अच्छे हैं हम. कोई छोटा बना तो बहुत दुख होता है. हम छोटे कैसे बन जाए? जिसको पता छोटा और बड़ा दोनों ही मिथ्या, बन जाओ 2 मिनट की. एक्टिंग तो करना है थोड़ी सी. That person came, he said, "Are you Baba lag rahe?" Bole, "My God, I forgot." Landlord said, "He cannot come inside." He said, "No, please." 7 times he went inside, 7 times he went outside. Baba said at the end, "कहीं इधर आओ बेटा, 2 रोटी खाना है, 1 रोटी हम खाते हैं बस, ये पेड़ है इसके नीचे बैठ के खा लेंगे, इसमें मन क्यों खराब कर रहे हो?" सबसे बड़ी खराबी हो गई, मन खराब हो गया, सब खराब हो गया. Why should you spoil your mind? आज प्रारब्ध ऐसा है, बाहर बैठ जाओ. हम छोटे नहीं होते उससे, ध्यान देना. बोले नीचे बैठने से, उसके अपमान से हमें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बस दिस गेट दिस पॉइंट. तस्य कार्यम न विद्यते. So don't make one rule for everybody. Everybody should be married. Everybody should. ऐसा मत बोलो तुम. For ordinary person, working is an urgency. कमाओ खाओ, लोग क्या कहेंगे? Marriage is an urgency. Have मकान is an urgency. उसको अपना अहम बड़ा दिखाना है और अपने लिए भी बड़ा होना चाहिए. उसको चाहिए कुछ. इसको तो ये है, गीता ने कहा तुमको छुट्टी करते हैं. You go and see 17th श्लोक. भगवान says तस्य कार्यम न विद्यते न तैव कृत. बोले for them there is nothing to be done now. बट पूर्व मीमांसा के इन्होंने कहा भाई बात गलत आपने कह दिया. बोले वाई? बोले उपासित word has come now. So that means in Vedas, in Sanskrit, I'll use some Sanskrit. There is something called Vidhiling in Sanskrit. Vidhiling, understand? What? Potential. Like pathet, pathetam, patheyuhu, pathehe, pathetam, pathet, patheyam, patheo, pathem. Supposing you said sa pathet, so in English will be he should study. Patatu means he may study. And patati means he is studying. And apatat means he studied. Well, now he is catching now. Well, here, after knowing this statement, it is very clear that Purvamimamsa did not follow the whole track. If he had really followed, this question would not have come. If he had known 5-6 things about Paramatma, that doubt wouldn't have erupted at all. बोले बेटा ऐसा है, this is called सिद्ध बोधक वाक्य. सिद्ध बोधक वाक्य is there where it is the statement of completeness. After that no action is required. Therefore you don't have any other action required. Like Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, they are called final statements sometimes. Mahavakya there. There is nothing vidhi nishedh there. Do's and don'ts, prohibitions are not there. Okay. Some people say such things. Please, as a responsible seeker, we will never use such words. I understood Vedanta. Now I will practice it in the world. Who will practice? I. You understood? But I need to practice it. कोई वकालत नहीं है. This is not a lawyer, this is not a medical thing that you 5 years course you did, 1 year internship is required now. You can say, I will to practice this thought repeatedly, I have no problem in that. But you are saying somebody else is required to practice it. And I have understood theory. There is nothing called theory and practical in Vedanta. Knowledge happens at the time of listening only. It is not firm. I have to make it firm knowledge. Then I will do Nididhyasam, I will meditate, again I will listen. Now, after this was said, Purmimansa is now going to raise an objection, and this portion, never be afraid, will strengthen your commitment. If you have been following Bhashakar, he makes you firm in your understanding, and any question under the world, any question, you are most welcome to ask. But this point will be established. We will see it in our next class.